Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Shikin Aziz. In this video, we will look at the common cleaning media for food industry. There are three common cleaning media being applied in food industry, which are water, air, and solvents. Water is the most cleaning medium being used in food industry to remove salts. The primary water requirements for food processing industry are shown here, where water must be free from disease-producing organism, must be free from toxic metal ions, must be free from objectionable odors, and must be free from objectionable taste. Water as cleaning medium has many functions, which include pre-rinse to remove large salt particles, wetting or softening to wet or soften salts, hence assist the removal. Then function as transport cleaner to transport cleaning compound to cleaning area. Uh, Suspension where it this suspension of salt before removal. Then transport suspended salt to remove suspended salt from the surface. Then rinsing, where it rinse away the cleaning compound from the surface, and the final function of the water is to transport sanitizer to the surface. Satisfactory water is needed to complement the cleaners, or also known as detergents. This include the water must be free from disease-producing organisms, and the water should be clear and colorless, non-corrosive, and good to use a soft water, where it means that it's free of minerals. Hard water is not suitable to be used to dilute detergent, as it may reduce the effectiveness of the detergent by interfering with the action of some cleaning compounds, and this has been explained in my previous video. Okay, now let's look on air. Okay, air can be also used as cleaning media, and air is normally used to remove packaging materials, dust, and other debris where water is not acceptable to be used. Oil, fat, and grease derived from vegetable, animal, or petroleum product may need suitable solvents to be used. In some application, existing components in the processing liquids is used to rinse the processing line. I have visited one of vegetable oil refinery and fat production plant. They are using refined oil to clean the processing line. Next video, I will explain the characteristic of cleaning compounds. Okay, that's it for now for this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Subscribe and like.
Sorry for that. That is my kid's voice.
Don't forget to ring.